Arthur's driving the Fendt 828 today with the crimper on the back, and we're just taking down the brassica turnipy mix that we used as a cover crop this winter. So it's been great ground armour, and as you can see the crimp's done an amazing job. Try not to fall over. And it's just coming back up now. It's aerated the soil nicely without having, well, using no till really, because the bulbs have loosened up the soil. And now that's all organic matter to be put back in for great soil nutrients. What a brilliant job they've done. I think it needs a steam clean. Arthur's just got 2 more fields to do this afternoon. Here's a bit of a close-up. So it's a heaver crimping machine, which is one we got a grant for, and it's getting the thumbs up from us, that's for sure. So any questions, leave a comment, but looks very smart, that's for sure. It's done a fab job.